As you prepare for cloud migration, you want to securely move your workloads, but it's also crucial to scale and innovate. Scalable migration starts with building a landing zone. A landing zone is an environment for hosting your workloads, pre-provisioned through code. It uses a defined set of cloud services and best practices to add foundational capabilities that set you up for success. It provides a stable place for your workloads to run and a framework to scale. Like building a home, you need the correct blueprint and a solid foundation. To embrace scalability, follow these 5 key principles when building your landing zone. First, use networking services that keep your apps connected and enable you to add or remove workloads without disruption. Second, set identity management rules so only trusted users can access your data. Addressing these first 2 principles enables you to start migrating low-risk workloads and learn about cloud capabilities. The next 3 principles are key to ramp up your project and ensure confidence before migrating mission-critical workloads. Third, govern your environment with integrated compliance policies to ensure your workloads meet industry regulations. Fourth, use security controls to create a safe place for your data, at rest and in transit. And fifth, manage your environment by monitoring performance and creating a resilient base for your workloads. These 5 principles help create a robust landing zone that offers increased speed, scalability, and better security and performance, leading to a faster, more secure, and more efficient cloud migration. Get help automating your landing zone build-out with the Microsoft Cloud Adoption Framework. And review your landing zone with Microsoft and partner experts by signing up for the Azure Migration and Modernization Program today.